Yes, my dear friends, in this lesson we will learn about Python. So, what is Python? Let's get started. Python programming language is a high-level programming language. Although it has an object-oriented programming language structure, it's an easy language to write, and also the first version was published in 1990. Today, Python programming language is frequently used in web applications, game development, interface creation, machine learning, image processing, and scientific studies. Today, it is developed by many software developers and has rich libraries. We will also use the Python programming language and libraries in Python when creating interfaces and serial communication to control our Arduino board. So now let's move on to our other lessons and learn about which libraries that we can use.